Meaning of guitarist.
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 Guitarist. A guitarist is a musician who plays the guitar. The guitar is a stringed musical instrument that is typically made of wood and has 6 strings. Guitarists may play various genres of music, such as rock, blues, classical, and country. They may perform solo or as part of a band or ensemble. Guitarists may also write and compose their own music, create arrangements for existing songs, and participate in recording sessions. Becoming a skilled guitarist requires practice, dedication, and a passion for music.